Hi, this is Samantha, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make props in Vue JS, how to pass props in Vue JS. And you can pass all kinds of props. As you can see, I have a Vue, I've created a Vue app and it's empty. Let me see. Is this, it's empty. The About Me component has been registered. Oh, in here. Okay. You can see it's empty right now. Let me see. Okay, there's nothing in here. And so we're gonna pass some props from the main component app.view to child component, which is about me.view. So in here, let's pass a component. At first, we have to import about me. This is the child component, about me into app.view. Let me import it first, okay? Import about me from mm, components about me, and in here, okay, so what we have to do is I want to pass my name and my name in about me in this component, and I want to pass it, and then I want to see it in here. So let's see, we have to do this, which is basically we have to use the component. And in here, oh wait, let me make my name part of the data, okay? Name Sam, okay? And in here, let me pass this as, okay, let me pass this as name first, okay? Name equals to this dot name. Now I can call this whatever I want, but in here I chose to call it name, just to keep it simple. And in here I can pass the props, and I would be able to see it over here. Name. Here, let's see. Okay, as you can see, we see nothing because there is an error in here. In app.view, when passing it, it has to be dynamic. Now we will be able to see our name. Yes. So this needs to be dynamic. You're passing a dynamic value from a parent component to a child component. Now, what if I have more information? There's more information about me, and it could be, I don't know, an object, okay? Name, Sam, city, uh, New York, and profession, computers, okay? So what if I want to pass all this information as a prop? So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to call this about Sam, okay? And in here, it's going to be this dot about. I can call this whatever I want, remember? But this needs to be consistent with this. About Sam. And in here, it needs to be about Sam. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's empty. Oh, there. So I have passed the entire object, everything in the object. Okay, so what if I don't want to pass the entire object? I just want to access maybe something from the object. So what if I do this? Let me see. Oh, it's not going to work. It's not an array. It's an object. And in here, this dot about, and I about could access something, I could pass just one thing. I have that. This is gonna work. No. So if I just want to pass one thing, I think I could do it. I have to do it in here. About some this dot about dot name. Yes, I have to do it over here. But this is how we pass an object. So what if I want to pass an array? What if I want to pass an entire array in here? What we have to do is that in order to pass an array, we have to let me make an let me turn this. Let me make an array of something. Okay, let me call it fruits, oranges. I don't know, apples, lemons. Okay, and in here we can pass it fruits. This dot fruits. Okay, and in here I have to pass fruits as a prop. Fruits and fruits. Okay, as you can see, we passed all the stuff. So what if I just want to access the first fruit or one? So this is how we pass an array. And what if in here I want to print all the fruits, okay? With like a nice li. Let me print all the fruits. V for fruit in fruits. Key equals to, I don't know, fruit. And in here, this is usually not a good idea because it can have similar value. I could, let me see if all the fruits get printed. They do, all the fruits get printed. So what if I want to pass a number now and I want to increment it? Like if I create a counter with a prop. So let me create a counter with a prop. Okay, call it count and the value is 3. And in here, let me pass it count equals this dot count. Okay, about me in here, I have to get count. And like I said, I wanted to create a counter. So in here, I want to print the count and also increment it with a button. Okay, so if I create a button over here and call it click me, and at click, the button is supposed to increment the count, okay? As you can see, we're getting an error. The thing is, props are immutable. We cannot mutate the value of a prop. So what we have to do in here is that we can create a new data, okay? Create a new data and call it new count, which could initially, oh wait, 1 second, there's an error, and call it return. Okay, now this can initially have the value of new count. New count can initially have the value of count from here. Okay, and in here we can increment the value of count. Okay, so let's see. It's not incrementing. Oh, okay. There's a mistake. In here, I'm reflecting count. Okay, it has to be new count. New count. Okay, now let's see. See, it's incrementing. So we learned how to pass an object, how to pass an array, how to pass number, and that props are immutable, and basically how to deal with props. And I hope I helped, and I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you.